Now that you've mastered the three-point inspection, let's apply this knowledge to more complex movement. Unfortunately, most young athletes have never been taught to jump or land correctly. To promote safety on your team, it's important that you teach your athletes the right way to perform these movements. Because a lot of force is generated when an athlete lands, they should learn how to land before they learn how to jump. The position of an athlete's body when absorbing this force will determine the pressure exerted on a structure like the ACL. An athlete who lands with rigid knees does not properly absorb landing forces and transfers pressure to the spine and lower body. Now I'm here with Natasha, Pedro, and Tyrus, and they're going to help me demonstrate how to use the three-point inspection to assess your athlete's ability to jump and land. It's important to learn how to land before your athletes learn how to jump. In order to do that, we're going to use a drill called the standing landing. So I'm going to have my athletes stand with their feet about shoulder width apart. Then I'm going to have them lift their feet just a few inches in the air and catch themselves in a safe landing position with their butt back, their chest up, and their eyes forward. We want to make sure that they check all three boxes in the three-point inspection as they do this. So why don't we get about 5 of those standing landings at your own pace. All right, ready, go. Good, get 4 more at your own pace. Excellent. And watch their core control, look at the alignment in their lower extremity, and they've all got great posture. All right, guys, give me one more and I want you to hold it in that bottom position. Ready, go. Excellent. Now, you'll notice that they landed with their butts back, their chest up, and their eyes forward. They also have great alignment of their lower extremity, the ankle, knee, and hip. They also all did something very important, which is they softly absorbed the landing by pushing their hips backwards. The vertical jump is a great drill to practice jumping. We're going to have our athletes swing their arms up, take off from the ground. We want to maintain alignment of the lower extremity, so hips, knees, and ankles. We want to keep great posture and core control as they make their way up, and they're going to show you a perfect landing when they hit the ground as well. Let's do a few of those vertical jumps for us now. Ready, go. Notice our athletes driving their hips forward. Ready, go. To create momentum as they jump up. Good, let's get 2 more here. When teaching your athletes to land correctly, you should have them do it quietly to reduce the landing forces and reduce their risk of injury.